Okay, I'm going to try to do this myself. Just here's the machine right here, okay? And there's the water bottle. Okay, so, and you can see that the top of the water bottle there's a clear hose tube, and it's going into this nipple on the machine. You'll see it. That's where the air is coming from. And then there's over there's right here, here's the nipple on the machine. The air is going in there, coming into the bottle. And there's the tube that goes to her. And then here's the gauge. Okay, so she's usually on 3 in between. See that? 2 and 4. If she does something, she should be on 5, like a shower or something. And then making sure that hopefully it goes back to 3, or maybe 4 if she's out of breath. Okay, so now here's the water bottle. It's a humidifier. It's not mandatory, so if something happens, you don't even have to use the water. Okay, so what I did was I put tape on it so you could see. Okay, so I'm going to take the tape off on the side here, and that's just holding the water bottle to the machine, because Eileen sometimes pulls it and falls off, and then it gets water in the tube. Okay, and then I put 2 pieces of tape on there, and it says, one will say, let me show you here, one will say maximum, one says minimum. So you want to be in between there, so about 1 inch below, half an inch maybe below maximum. You can fill it up to that with distilled water, which is going across the room here, under the chair. See the desk chair? There it is. And so then, in order to do that, you take just simply keep the machine on, and how to do this, you unscrew the lid. You unscrew the lid by just doing this part of the lid. Can't get my hand in there with you. Just that part of the lid. You don't have to touch this top part. Screw it off. Can't show you because I need this hand. And just leave everything on. Put the water in. Open it up. When I screw it on, before I screw it on, I go to the opposite direction, so it kind of clicks, and then I screw it to the right, to put it on. And that's it. Seriously, that's all. Now, if something comes up and say she gets water in her tube, so what you could do is, I'll do it now, you take this tube off the nipple. Okay, it's off the nipple now. Then you take the tube she goes into her cannula, which is what she puts on her nose, and so you take that tube off this bottle right here. Okay, came right off of that. And then you go over here and you put it, where am I? Okay, you put it right into the nipple. Okay, here it goes. Now, what's happened is she bypassed the whole canister. See, there's nothing. Here's the thing. Nothing's in there. It's going to, let's call that direct. It's direct air with no humidifier. So what that does is it dries her nose out, kind of normally, not annoyingly. But and then I just take this tape again and tape it over to the machine, and that's probably it. I'm going to stop it because I'm going to do